Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a submarine while we learn Spanish. Let's draw an oval. Oval in Spanish is óvalo. These are some screws that in Spanish is said tornillo. Let's draw the windows that in Spanish is said ventanas. This is the propeller that is said hélice. Let's draw the periscope. With it, they can see what is happening on the surface of the water. Periscope in Spanish is PERISCOPIO. We draw some bubbles. Bubble in Spanish is BURBUJA. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say submarine in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Let's go with orange. That is said naranja. Now we use the gray color. That is said gris. Let's go with the blue color. That in Spanish is said azul. Let's see if you know the answer. Submarine in Spanish is submarino. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.